In our last video, we were headed to Taquamenon Falls, and we're staying at the Lower Falls State Park. While setting up, we were verbally accosted by the local crazy squirrel. I'm happy to report that we all made it out alive. We're at Taquamenon Falls Park. Kind of just got set up. We have a lot of crap. Luckily, it's fun crap. We head out in the morning, ready to tackle both the lower and the upper Taquamenon Falls. We're hiking from the campground to the lower falls, then we'll be using the river trail to the upper falls. Once we get to the upper falls, we turn around and do it all again. Okay. This is the true Illinoisan in us. We kept on hearing this constant noise and we keep on thinking, where is there a highway? There's no highway. I'm like, that's the falls.
Woohoo! I'm keeping up.
Woohoo! 1 mile! Oh my!
Naughty.
So naughty. 2nd mile! Woohoo!
Trying to get my 4 seconds.
This is the real hard route. You gotta parkour all the way. Mile 2 again?
2?
Don't know. Three.
3.
3.
3.
And it falls behind us.
Ooh.
Yep, that's a waterfall. Yep, water is falling down. There's really a fall behind us.
There's a fall behind us.
We're not gonna fall.
No.
There's a fall. It's like this freaking stairway that never ends. Oh boy.
As she falls on her face, and she's still got 4 miles to walk yet.
I've had sugar. We've been in the woods for days. Resources are low. Morale is also low. We may have to resort to cannibalism. Gary and I just got through this 4-mile hike and back. It says difficult. It really means difficult. Wow. Yeah, wow. You want to say anything?
It was hard.
So after that long hike, we decided to hit the trails the next day. We chose to hike the Clark Lake and Wilderness Loops. This one lone tree is ready for the fall. I think everybody else is still contemplating. Definitely thinking this is a beautiful place for lunch. Clark Lake is not accessible by road, so only hikers, bikers, or off-road vehicles would be able to access. Well, shall we? How are you doing? We found a furry friend on our hike, this small mink that was quite curious about us. Hello. Aren't you the cutest little thing? Oh.
Peaceful.
Yeah, I agree.
Consider using cedar. Disintegrate so quickly.
Squishy. Oh, I'm so bored. We're done.
We
did
made it.
Woohoo.
Another 9 miler, 10 miler?
10.
10.
10. Definitely 10.
Yeah, it was like a walk in the park.
That evening, we enjoyed dinner and a few beverages by the fire. A perfect day in our book. We pack up in the morning and head to our next destination just a few hours west. And fall is just starting to show its colors.
The other way was to go bigger detour.
Our next stop is at Bay Furnace National Campground in Christmas, Michigan.
Text dollars.
Wow. It's like we're back in Illinois.
Tax dollars everywhere.
Whoa, that's a huge boat. Whoa.
Damn.